All right, guys. Well, I didn't give a quick update Friday. That guy's out. Still got to pull the upper control arm off, but that's easy. Couple bolts. Ooh, some clean in there. Started working on this side, doing things differently. Upper bolt joints popped. Got the sway bar, torsion bar, shotgun bolted. But once again, all rusty crusty, so it doesn't want to drop that far, which sucks. As soon as that's out, then I can, there'll be tension on the lower ball joint, so I can smack that and pop that. Once that's popped, then I can lower it down on the jack, undo the upper ball joint all the way, pull out the knuckle, and then lower the spring down. That's a mile long. But yeah, we'll get some work done this morning. Morning.
Morning.
It's too damn early.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get some work done this morning. Get you guys an update here in a few. Later. Anyways, all right, guys. Well, finally got the shock out. I mean,
Muskrat got the shock out.
yeah. But so now we are fighting, even though there's pressure on it,
Good Lord.
to
Oh yeah.
get that to pop. Because once that pops, then I can lower it down.
Once you pop, you can't stop. Jesus. What?
Hey, mouth. Anyways,
I said Jesus.
so yeah, that's where we're at this
Talking about
morning.
landscape.
Too much fun. Too much fun. All right, guys. Hey, what do we say?
Hasta la vista, baby.
All right. Shocks out, springs out. Got that one out. Oh, we got the lower off of that one too. So I'm gonna finish unbolting that. Get the two spindles off to the side, nice and safe. Get this lower control arm out, upper control arms out, and that'll be it for suspension. And then I can start working on clearing up the steering. And then getting everything cleaned up. Ready to go for a fresh... Oh, see a bunch of tools right now. Fresh parts everywhere. All right. Well, getting there. All right, guys. I'll get an update here in a few. Later.